Hi, this is David Wicks, your summer instructor, and I'm coming to you from my office where I'm looking at, again, course sites. And I'm just getting a few emails from people as they're getting into it and having some questions. And one that I want to see if I can take care of for you right now is the possible problem that you might be having with the discussion board. And while it's not really a problem, it might be more of an annoyance, and that's when you first come into the discussion board, you're going to look at unread posts, and it will show you that you have all unread posts. It'll be as if you've never read any post in the forum, and um, before you get too worried about that, that won't at all impact how you assess. So it's not like I'll get a red flag saying that you've now not read any of the posts. But at the same time, forums like questions and answers and the last forum and the current forum are probably ones that you want to know if any new messages have come in. And one way you could take care of that would be to go into every forum and click on every message again, which would take quite a bit of time and don't really want you to have to go there. So let me show you a shortcut that will help you with this. And it can also help you in future courses where there may be a forum where maybe you get behind and you just want to look at everything and mark it all at once. And so if you go and just click on the unread posts for this module 6, and again, I've already done this for most of mine. I just left this one for us to correct. So I've actually already read everything in module 6, but I want to make it so that everything is read in case somebody posts a late message. I can still see the change. And so once you click on the unread link, then you can come over and you can choose select all. And what that's going to do is put a check mark by all the posts in the forum. And then up here you can choose to just say mark as read. And when you've done that, um, and then leave this, there will be all marked as read. Now, the way that you might use this sometimes is if you're just wanting to catch up on the 8 to 10 posts that have been made on that day, you can click on that unread link and just scroll down. And I can't read this fast, but maybe you can. But you're just scrolling down, reading all the posts, and then instead of marking each post, for example, here, clicking on each post and saying that it's read, you're actually just coming up here, selecting all, and choosing mark as read. And then when you go back to the discussion board and we look at module 6, we can see everything's read there. So if you do that quickly at least to the forums at the top, question and answer, and any of the other ones that you'd like to keep up with, that'll help you out. One other place where this applies is if you go out to the My Course Sites area, they have a What's New feature, which lets you see what is new. And I think you're seeing this. I can't tell. I'm not in as a student, but it lets me know that there's 3 unread discussion board posts now. So it's a quicker way, especially when I have 2 courses here, of finding out any changes in the course. So hope this is helpful to you. Please keep the questions coming, and looks like we'll be finishing out this week. And please communicate with me if you have any questions. Have a great day.